In the morning, first thing, typically I'll open up the building, make sure everything's in place for all the learners coming in. When they arrive about 10 to 9, I'll do the register, make sure everybody's here, and then get set off with my teaching, whether that's on the workshop or whether that's in the classroom as well. Through the day I can have various different kind of conversations with office staff or with learners, whether there's any safeguarding issues, if I need to give anybody some feedback on their work, whether that's on the workshop or whether that's classroom based work. And when the learners go home, that's time for me to plan out what I'm doing for the next day and mark work and complete the paperwork that I need to do. So my journey at Optimum Skills started when I was a trainee. Then I got offered the opportunity to stay on working in centre as the property maintenance person. After a couple of weeks on that, the tutors then realised I had a lot of potential in terms of helping out with the teaching and the delivery side, and ever since then Optimum Skills has been absolutely fantastic, supporting me and upskilling my tutoring skills and my knowledge around both tutoring and the construction industry as well. For me, it's building the relationships up with the learners. So when we get a new group in, pretty much once every month, it's a new group of people to get to know. The most rewarding part is getting to know them and getting to know their different needs and motivations of what makes them work while they're in centre with me, but also to see the progression that they have from coming in as a quiet person who doesn't know anyone, and then the relationships start to form, and then before you know it, they're out on site, and the next time I see them, they're in to sign up for their apprenticeship. The most significant thing so far that I've got out of it actually is my level 3 safeguarding qualification, which has allowed me to become a safeguarding leader, which is a very challenging but very rewarding role that I play now in Optimum Skills Construction Academy. My advice would be to enjoy it, ultimately, because it is really, really rewarding, and there's not many other opportunities out there where you do manage to have such good interactions with young people and people similar to my age, depending on who comes through the door. You can have, a lot of fun as well as get a lot of rewards personally from knowing that you've made a difference to someone's life.